Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. As I had promised in my last video, I was going to do a tutorial on the Rotimatic and show you guys how it makes the rotis. So in this video, I'm going to show you how the process actually runs on this machine. So to begin the process, make sure that you load the 3 compartments. The flour goes into the first one, water goes into the second one, and oil goes into the third one. So let's go ahead and start the process. So the machine is plugged in, so the first step is to press the on button from here. And it's starting up. Make sure you open up this compartment. Alright, so now you need to reference how many rotis you want the machine to make. Let's do 2 just for the trial purposes. Alright, so I'm gonna choose 2. Alright, so we have the menu here. I'm gonna click on that, and you have various options. Today we're just going to stick with the first option, which is roti. We're gonna select that. And then it has a list of all the flours. I recommend that you use the recommended flours that are listed in this machine, because if you don't, there are chances that the dough will get stuck. So right now we're using the Sujata Gold, so I'm going to select that. And then you can choose the thickness. So right now there are 5 levels of thickness, so I have it set up on the first level. And then you have the roast level. There are 4 levels of the roast level. I have it on 3. And then you have the drops of oil. So you have the option to select 1 drop or 2 drops. So I have it set up on 2 drops. So with that being said, I am going to click on the play button, which will start the process. And then it's saying, do you want to start making rotis? You're going to click on yes. And now it's just doing like some sort of a check. So you're gonna hear all sorts of sounds, and is basically warming up right now, and it also tells you a time frame of how long it's going to take to warm up. So right now it is saying 7 minutes remaining, and this time is actually pretty accurate. So it is going to take about 7 minutes. So I'm going to fast forward the 7 minutes, and we will come back once the machine has completely warmed up. Alright, so we just have a few more seconds left, and it looks like it's just finished warming up. I'm going to take you over to this side now, where all the action is happening. So this is the place where it's going to consume the flour, is going to take the water and the oil and mix everything up into a dough. You can see the flour coming down from the top. Now it's taking the water and the oil. It's working on making a dough. Alright, looks like the dough is done. And now it's basically going to push that dough right there. And this is where the dough is going to get flattened out. And while this roti is being cooked, simultaneously at the same time, the second dough is already in progress right over here. So it's heating up the roti. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you guys this again. You can see the second dough is also in progress. So it's doing both of the things simultaneously. So I would say that once the machine is warmed up, then it goes through the number of rotis you want. It goes through them pretty quickly. And then at the same time, this one is almost cooked. So all this right now is in real time, so it should give you a very good idea of how long it takes. Alright, so it looks like the first roti is done, and here it is. So this is how it looks like from the front and then from the back. So we'll keep it over here. And then at the same time it's done making the dough for the second one. And is going to push that one out over there. And is going to repeat the process. It's going to flatten it out. You can actually see the roti like puffed up. And there we go, guys. We are selected 2 rotis and we have both of them ready right over here, fresh and hot, and time to enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please hit the like button and please hit the subscribe button. Thank you very much. Bye.